today our main objective is an alphabet review, but if you have kids, we're going to keep that a secret. So if you've seen my videos, you know that the alphabet review, letter names, letter sounds, is just the main focal point of learning English, right? If you don't know your alphabet, if you don't know your letter sounds, it's going to be very hard for you to learn English. Now, we also know that repeating it the same way gets very tedious. The ABC song gets very tedious. So we want to incorporate, especially their first year here in the US, or if you're watching this from another country, we want to incorporate alphabet review often. So the main objective is alphabet review, but we're going to keep that a secret. So we're going to tell the kids, if you're working with kids, okay, we're going to learn 2 words. We're going to learn about lines and curves. And if you want, you can Google the word line and Google the word curve in the student's primary language, okay, if you want. So I'm going to say, okay, these are lines. You could have kids come up and make a line. They're straight. These are all lines, right? These are curves, right? There's a little half circle there, and you could have the kids come up and make curves. And if you want, you could go ahead and have them share lines and curves in their primary language. An idea. Then I went ahead and I picked these 5 letters which are frequently mixed up. At least with my students, they struggle a lot with these letters. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and review these 5 letters. I'll do 1 or 2 for you and you get the gist, okay? Capital E, lowercase e. How does it sound? E, E, E. Capital I, lowercase I. How does it sound? I. That's one way. So I want you to review these 5 letters, have the kids write them at their desk or write them in the air, have them say the letter names and letter sounds as a review. Then we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of writing, because as always we want to hear sentence structure and questions and answers and how they should sound in English, right? So number 1, how many lines does the letter E have? How many lines does the letter E have? How many lines does the letter E? And here I put the capital E. So you're going to go ahead and model that for them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you could go ahead and maybe for the first one you could fill in the answer. You could go ahead and put 4 and then have someone answer or you answer. The letter E has 4 lines. You're going to go ahead and do that. I put 3 questions and answers here, but you could go ahead and do as many as you would like. And each day, for maybe 3 or 4 days, you could change these letters so that they review more letters of the alphabet. And if you notice your child or your adult, wherever you are, if they're really struggling with certain letters, repeat those letters as part of these 4 or 5 that you put. And as always, you want them to write. Maybe you could tell them just write the green answers, or you could have one student write the purple and one write the green, and then they ask each other, because we want that oral practice within every lesson. So once again, you're going to have them write, and as always, they read with you. You read first. Actually, I take that back. You read first to model how it should sound. They read with you, and then they read it by themselves. All right, thank you.